Do you know that a drone ship powered by AI will recreate the Mayflower journey? Just over 400 years ago, the original Mayflower set sail from Plymouth, United Kingdom, bound for Plymouth, Massachusetts on a voyage of discovery. This month, a collaboration of maritime innovators aims to launch a second Mayflower to repeat the journey, this time with no humans aboard. Hello friends, welcome back to the Do You Know Drones Micro Podcast. I'm your host, Jason Sansucci, drone scientist. Join me each week as I examine an incredible new facet of the drone industry. The Mayflower autonomous ship is 16 meters long, 6 meters wide, has 6 AI-powered cameras, 30 onboard sensors, 15 edge devices, and costs just over $1.2 million. A manned ship capable of the same research would cost over $120 million. And this is one smart ship. The ship's AI captain performs a similar role to a human captain, assimilating data from a number of sources. It constantly assesses its route, status, and mission, and makes decisions about what to do next. Cameras and computer vision systems scan the horizon for hazards, and streams of meteorological data reveal potentially dangerous storms. Machine learning and autonomous software ensure that decisions are safe and in line with collision regulations. The aim of the voyage is twofold. First, the drone ship must face the challenge of surviving, testing the limits of extreme AI and machine learning-based autonomy. But along the way, it will also conduct scientific experiments on pollution and oceanic chemistry, climate change and sea levels, and songs of the whales and other sea mammals, along with other experiments. The exact launch date will depend on weather, but plans aim for the second half of May. You can follow the progress real-time at mas400.com/dashboard and interact with Artie, a 7-armed octopus chatbot stowed away on the vessel. I wonder if an AI captain is a nightmare to live with. Thanks for listening to the Do You Know Drones Micro Podcast. Have a great week.